Welcome back Autocars. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder is a game-changer in the compact SUV segment, bringing a perfect blend of style, efficiency, and advanced technology. Toyota has taken a bold step in redefining the hybrid SUV market with this model, offering an eco-friendly alternative that doesn't compromise on power, comfort, or convenience. The Urban Cruiser Hyryder is designed to cater to modern urban dwellers who seek a fuel-efficient yet dynamic driving experience. With a focus on sustainability, Toyota has integrated its renowned hybrid technology into this SUV, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options in its class. The exterior of the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder features a bold and sophisticated design. It carries the brand's signature styling with a sleek front grille, sharp LED headlights, and stylish alloy wheels that enhance its road presence. The muscular stance and aerodynamic lines give it a sporty yet premium appeal. The rear of the SUV is equally striking, featuring LED taillights and a sculpted bumper that adds to its modern aesthetics. Toyota has ensured that the design language remains contemporary, making it a head-turner on city roads as well as highways. Under the hood, the Urban Cruiser Hyryder is powered by Toyota's advanced hybrid powertrain, offering a combination of an efficient petrol engine and an electric motor. This setup ensures impressive fuel economy while reducing emissions, making it an environmentally friendly choice for urban commuters. The self-charging hybrid system means there's no need to plug it in. The vehicle automatically recharges the battery while driving, enhancing convenience for users. The intelligent hybrid system seamlessly switches between petrol and electric modes, optimizing power delivery and efficiency. The performance is smooth and responsive, with a refined driving experience that makes city driving effortless. Step inside, and the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder welcomes you with a premium and tech-laden cabin. The interior is thoughtfully designed with high-quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and an ergonomic layout that enhances comfort. The spacious cabin provides ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, ensuring a comfortable journey even on long drives. The seats are well cushioned and offer excellent support, making them ideal for daily commutes as well as extended road trips. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a large touchscreen infotainment system equipped with the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The user-friendly interface allows seamless access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The digital instrument cluster provides essential driving information, including battery charge levels, fuel efficiency statistics, and hybrid system status. Toyota has also included a premium sound system, enhancing the overall in-car entertainment experience. Safety remains a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Urban Cruiser Hyryder is packed with advanced safety features. It comes equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, traction control, and electronic stability control, ensuring a secure drive in various conditions. The SUV also features advanced driver assistance systems such as lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera, making driving safer and more convenient. The inclusion of a robust body structure and high-strength steel enhances passenger protection, adding to the vehicle's overall safety quotient. The hybrid technology in the Urban Cruiser Hyryder significantly improves fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term ownership. The SUV delivers impressive mileage figures, reducing frequent refueling stops and lowering running costs. Toyota's hybrid system is also known for its reliability and durability, ensuring that the vehicle remains a dependable companion for years to come. The low carbon emissions contribute to a greener environment, aligning with global efforts to reduce automotive pollution. The ride quality of the 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder is commendable, with a well-tuned suspension setup that absorbs road undulations effectively. The steering response is precise, offering excellent maneuverability in urban traffic. The hybrid powertrain ensures a silent and smooth drive, enhancing the overall comfort level. The SUV's ground clearance is adequate for tackling rough patches and speed bumps, making it a versatile choice for various driving conditions. The cargo space in the Urban Cruiser Hyryder is practical and versatile, accommodating luggage and daily essentials with ease. The rear seats can be folded to expand storage capacity, making it convenient for weekend getaways or shopping trips. The thoughtfully designed cabin includes multiple storage compartments, cup holders, and a spacious glove box, adding to the practicality of the vehicle. Toyota has also equipped the SUV with modern convenience features such as a wireless charger, keyless entry, push-button start, automatic climate control, and a panoramic sunroof, enhancing the overall ownership experience. The ambient lighting inside the cabin adds a touch of sophistication, making night drives more enjoyable. The 2025 Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder is expected to be available in multiple variants, catering to different budget preferences. Toyota's strong after-sales network and service reliability further add to the appeal of this hybrid SUV. With a combination of futuristic design, advanced technology, exceptional fuel efficiency, and top-notch safety features, the Urban Cruiser Hyryder stands out as one of the best hybrid SUVs in the market. Toyota's commitment to sustainable mobility is evident in this model, making it a compelling choice for environmentally conscious buyers. The Urban Cruiser Hyryder is not just a vehicle. It is a statement of modernity, efficiency, and responsible driving. Thank you my YouTube channel, please subscribe me.